Well, Sam, I have to say that I had some girlfriends texting me today asking, okay, so what do I need to be prepared for with this storm tomorrow? And I told them it doesn't seem like very much.
Yeah, I mean, it's really changed over the past 24 hours.
Yeah.
I was here yesterday morning, and it really looked like it was going to be a substantial storm for the Capital Region. And now, you know, just in a matter of 12 to 24 hours, that track has really shifted, which often happens, especially with these coastal storms. And we were right on the northern edge, so we always knew that if this track were to shift 50 miles to the south and east, that would mean we get substantially less totals, and that's looking like it was going to happen. So we'll show you that snowfall map in a moment, but first let's talk about today, because today's forecast is still certainly on track. We're in Schenectady, 35 degrees, Freihofer Skycam. It's 39 in Albany, 37 in Saratoga, 31 in Lake Pleasant. Of course, 2 days ago, we were near 60 degrees, so some 20 degrees cooler, which is much cooler than what it felt like on Saturday, but we're still running around 5 to 6 degrees above average today. Good amount of clouds around. Maybe there are some thin spots off towards the south and east, but I think any of those will be short-lived because we're already getting another cloud deck rising from the south associated with this coastal storm that is still going to be impacting us later tonight into tomorrow, but mostly off towards the south and east. So you'll see everything time out right here. This is 5 o'clock this afternoon. Again, maybe around that point, just before the sun sets, we get a few peaks in the clouds, but otherwise we are mostly cloudy. This evening, no concerns whatsoever, even off for locations to the south and east. It's going to be completely dry. It's after midnight. That's when these snow showers will move on in. And check out this difference in the computer output right now. So yesterday at this time, it looks like this snow shield was going to be much further off towards the north and west. Now maybe it will get up to I-90 for a brief period of time before it pulls back off towards the east. So that would really limit the snowfall totals right around the morning commute tomorrow morning. Again, there's still impacts off towards the south and east, but the further off towards the north and west you go, the fewer and the lesser the impact from this storm will be. It's also, we always knew this would be a quick mover, so by the afternoon, regardless if you're seeing snow showers during the morning, I think we're all drying on out. It's turning gusty and much cooler on the back side of it. In fact, we could also see some snow showers with another kind of injection of cooler air coming late tomorrow night into Wednesday morning, and that can maybe drop down a quick coating. That would be Tuesday night into Wednesday. So again, why the change in the totals? Well, the track has shifted dramatically off towards the south over the last 24 hours. So there's this tight gradient between lower amounts to the north and west and higher amounts off towards the south and east. So it looks like the jackpot totals will now be Northwest Jersey, Lower Hudson Valley, and Connecticut. And that's the way it's looking right now. Quick moving storm also. So there was only a short window to see snowfall, and if you aren't seeing the heavier rates for this time period between, say, midnight tomorrow night into noon tomorrow, then you really were not going to see much snowfall, and that looks like what's going to happen now. So here's the updated snowfall forecast map. It's a dusting to 2 inches for the Capital Region, Bennington, stretching back towards the Catskills. Really nothing's expected up towards the Adirondacks now. 2 to 4 inches portions of Greene, Columbia County, the southwestern portions of the Catskills. Probably Pittsfield's right on the cutoff between 2 to 4, and it's 4 to 8 mid-Hudson Valley off towards the south and east. But if anything, looking at some of the guidance over the past hour or so, this could even shift a little bit further off towards the south and east. So really not feeling too optimistic right now about seeing substantial impacts across the Capital Region. Very minor around here. But again, regardless of this track, much colder behind it. Wednesday, it's low 30s with a gusty wind, feeling like the 20s all day long, and it's mid-30s for the rest of the week. So a cool Valentine's Day in store. Here's a 7-day forecast. Snow showers late tonight into the first part of tomorrow, especially off towards the south. A cold Valentine's Day with a gusty wind on Wednesday. Thursday, it's mid-30s. Some snow can develop late Thursday night into Friday. That could be a potentially minor accumulation around here. More updates on that throughout this week. And then we enter next weekend on a pretty cool note in the low to mid-30s. Lara?
All right, Sam, not bad, not bad.